Hello, ESL friends. Today we are going to do an Access speaking and reading practice. So this is to prepare us for our Access test that will be coming up in February. And one of the things that you will be expected to do is read along with an article. So the article will be read to you, but you also have the opportunity to follow along in the article and then find information from what you were given. Okay. So in this activity, you're just going to follow along, listen to the video, and then here is a copy of the questions that are also in the Edpuzzle. What you are required to do is not only answer the question via recording, but I would also like you to highlight where you found the answer in your selection. So, for example, where it says, what are 2 skills engineers should have to be successful? Where did you find those 2 skills in here? Okay, so I want to see that you were able to look back and find the information in what you read. Okay, if you have any confusion about that, just ask and I will try to give you a better explanation in class. You do not have to answer on this page. You can just record your answer on the Edpuzzle, but I do want you to highlight on here where you found the information. Okay, so we're going to get started. This article is called Curious About Careers, Mechanical Engineering. Do you like to build with blocks? Are you curious about how solar panels turn sun rays into electricity? Have you wondered how planes stay in the air? Do you wonder why putting gas into cars causes the wheels to turn? Do you like to design and create new things? If you do, a career in mechanical engineering might be right for you. A mechanical engineer is responsible for coming up with and designing mechanical systems. Mechanical systems can include machine design, heating and cooling equipment, power generation, and product design. Products like the latest cell phones begin when an engineer coming up with the idea. Mechanical engineers are in high demand right now. That means that there are a lot of job openings for mechanical engineers, but there aren't enough people to fill those jobs. Sorry, it's hard to see on the computer. So, to fill those jobs, because there is a high need for engineers and the work requires specialized knowledge, engineers get paid more than some other careers. To be a mechanical engineer, you need to graduate from college with a bachelor's degree. During your years in college, you will learn solving and critical thinking skills that will help you to succeed as an engineer. Problem solving is very important in the field of mechanical engineering. People in this career need to be able to think about problems in different ways to figure out the best solution. You also need to be creative because you may need to make something that's never been made before. Attention to detail is important as well. Many designs rely on a lot of little details that need to work together. Mechanical engineers should also be very comfortable using a variety of tools, such as calculators, high-speed cameras, measurement tools, and computers to assist them in completing their job. There are many computer program mechanical engineers used to create and design in 3D, run scenarios, and analyze calculations. Engineers also use computers for research. As with many other jobs, mechanical engineers need to be able to meet deadlines and work well with others. Some jobs can be done with just one person, but more often, mechanical engineers are working on a team to complete a project. If an engineer cannot manage his or her time well and misses a deadline, the entire team gets delayed, which is not good for the company. Some engineers work in an office, and some travel to different work sites with a machine or product is being built, so they can help solve any problems. Mechanical engineering takes a lot of thought. It is a great career for people who like to make objects and machines work, solve problems, and be creative. Now that we have read through the article and you have it with you, I want you to find the answer to these questions, highlight them on here, and then use those highlighted sections to complete your recording of the answers provided or the questions provided in the Edpuzzle. Okay, let me know if you need any help and have a great day.